What's up buddy, this is Lucky. Welcome back to my channel Lucky Programmers. In previous videos, we completed practicing moving these 6 fingers up and down on the keyboard. If you didn't watch those previous videos, I suggest you to stop this video right here and go back, watch those previous videos by clicking on the I button above, or you will find the links in the description box below. In today's video, we are going to practice these index fingers moving up and down on the keyboard. You must follow the patterns that I am showing you on the screen right now. Otherwise, you won't be able to pick up the speed while typing. I think you must be clear about that by now. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video.
Could be us.
Now, place your fingers on the home row, leaving those keys G and H in the middle, and practice like this. F R F space, F V F space, J U J space, J M J space, G T G space, G B G space, H Y H space, H N H space, F R F space, F V F space, J U J space, J M J space, G T G space, G B G space, H Y H space, H N H space, F R F space, F V F space, J U J space, J M J space, G T G space, G B G space, H Y H space, H N H space. Remember, you need to use the fingers as shown in this image. This is the only way to get good typing skills with significant speed. So, without any delay, let's jump into my computer screen. Hit the like button if you feel our content is useful. Along with that, share this video to as many people as you can. So, back to the practice. You have to practice this exercise for 3 days, as in 1 hour per day for 3 days. Practice this exercise with 100% focus and 0 distractions. So guys, this is it for today. I will catch you in next video. Thanks for watching.